Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to add Tupperbox to Discord server so you can manage multiple personas and automate fun roleplay conversations easily. Step 1. Open Discord and click the server name at the top of the screen where you want to add a Tupperbox. You must be the server owner or have the required permissions to add bots. Step 2. Scroll down, click App Directory. This section lets you browse and add official Discord apps and bots. Step 3. Use the search bar to find a Tupperbox you want. This helps you quickly find bots by category or name. Step 4. Click on the Tupperbox you want to add. This opens the bots page where you can see details and features. Step 5. Click Add App to Server to begin the bot installation process. Step 6. Choose the server where you want to add the bot. This ensures the bot is added to the correct server. Step 7. Then click Continue. Step 8. Review the permissions requested by the bot carefully. These permissions allow the bot to function properly on your server. Step 9. Click Authorize to approve the permissions and proceed. This step officially adds the bot to your server. Step 10. Complete the CAPTCHA verification if prompted. This confirms that you are a real user and not a bot. Step 11. Go to the server. The bot will now appear in your server and be ready to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Discord tutorials.